At Decoflame, we're with you all the way. It's our mission to help our customers finding the perfect bio-fireplace that brings soul, warmth and coziness to the home. We'll take you by the hand and guide you through the process, from the first meeting with our skilled advisors until the bio-fireplace is installed in your home. For us, the value is in the details. It's not only the clean lines and the nice surfaces that count, but also what's under the top plate. That's why we produce the fireplaces from scratch, every time. Each part goes through many knowledgeable hands, as the individual's competencies and experience play a role in the quality control of the product. Flexibility is one of our strengths. It's the craftsman's understanding of the materials that ensures the best product for all our custom-made bio-fireplaces. We make many different fireplace solutions where Danish design, functionality and technology are combined. The result is a product that's easy to use and provides a great experience. Decoflame focuses on sustainability and works towards a few environmental goals. These are greater focus on carbon dioxide emissions, waste sorting and material selection. In addition, we strive to collaborate with local partners. Quality and durability are only becoming more important. Therefore, you should choose a quality product made with good craftsmanship and timeless design.